Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the SUNEX Tools 0.5 HP straight die grinder, which features a strong 0.5 HP motor designed to deliver high-speed performance for demanding tasks like porting, weld grinding, deburring, and polishing. Next is the TOPDON ADAS Radar 3-in-1 calibration tool, which is designed for calibrating radar systems in vehicles. It includes various components like the ACC radar target, corner reflection target, and a Doppler simulator. Our third tool is the OEMTOOLS Vortex funnels, which are made in the USA and feature a Vortex design that vents air to accelerate flow, delivering up to 3 times faster pours than standard funnels, according to the company. Next is the DG Technologies VSI NxGen Plus, which is a next-generation OEM-approved diagnostic interface built for everyday vehicles from 1996 through today's newest platforms. Finally, our last tool is the Flex Power Tools 120-volt brushless rotary polisher, which is designed to cut through clear coat to aggressively remove defects like rock chips, orange peel, swirl marks, and other imperfections. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products pique your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.